Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome to this special Christmas episode of our podcast for learning Spanish. I'm Marco, here with my wonderful colleague and friend, Sarah.
I'm Marco. Hi to all of you listening from around the world. If you're here, you probably love Spanish and want to learn to think directly in this beautiful language, especially during the festive season.
Yes, Christmas, or Navidad in Spanish, is the perfect time to immerse yourself in the language. Many learners still translate words like Christmas tree to their native language before saying árbol de Navidad. But today, we'll help you connect directly to Spanish holiday words with images, feelings, and joy.
Before we start, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write in the comments where you're listening from. We love your messages. And tell us, do you already know any Spanish Christmas words? Or which holiday tradition from Spanish-speaking countries excites you most?
Sara, you've traveled to many Spanish-speaking countries during Christmas. What makes Navidad so special there?
Oh, it's magical. In Spain and Latin America, celebrations often start early in December and last until January 6th, Dia de Reyes, or Three Kings Day. Families gather for Nochebuena on Christmas Eve with delicious food, and children get gifts from Los Reyes Magos, the three wise men.
And the greetings are so warm, everyone says Feliz Navidad, which means Merry Christmas, and Prospero Año Nuevo, for a prosperous new year.
Many learners translate in their heads because holiday words feel new and exciting. But why do we do that? It's habit from thinking mostly in our native language.
Right, at first you hear regalo, and think of the word for gift in your language before picturing a wrapped present under the tree. It slows you down and takes away the fun.
But Christmas is emotional. Lights, family, songs. We can link Spanish words directly to those feelings. Instead of translating luces de Navidad as Christmas lights, imagine colorful lights twinkling on the tree and feel the warmth.
For example, visualize Papa Noel or Santa Claus with his red suit, or in many countries, Los Reyes Magos arriving with camels. Connect the word directly to the image.
And traditions help too. In Mexico, they have posadas, parties reenacting Mary and Joseph's search for lodging. Imagine knocking on doors singing villancicos or Christmas carols.
One powerful technique, associate words with mini-scenes. For belén or nativity scene, picture baby Jesus in the manger with Mary, Joseph, and animals. Oh, the peace.
Yes. And for food, turrón is a sweet nougat. Imagine biting into that almond delight. Or polvorones, crumbly cookies that melt in your mouth.
Listening to songs multiple times works wonders. Feliz Navidad by Jose Feliciano. Sing along. Feliz Navidad, Prospero Año y Felicidad. You understand without translating. That's why we made this episode, to train your brain to think in Spanish during the holidays. Don't worry if you still translate now, it's normal. The more you immerse, the faster it clicks.
Studies show immersion hours build direct thinking. Create a Spanish Christmas environment. Listen to villancicos. Watch movies. Think about your árbol de Navidad.
Fluency isn't knowing every word. It's using what you know naturally. Like saying, Feliz Navidad, with a big smile.
To sum up this part, 1. Holiday translating is a phase. Live the Navidad in Spanish. 3. Connect words to images and emotions.
In the next part, we'll share concrete exercises with Christmas words to practice direct thinking.
Now, practical tips with festive Spanish words.
First exercise, mini thoughts in Spanish. All day, narrate holidays. Ahora decoro el árbol de Navidad. Que bonitas las bolas y las luces.
Second, describe what you see.
Start with campaña sobre campaña. Bells ringing for Christmas. Fifth, mental replacement. Hager gift. Say regalo. Snow, nieve, even if it's warm in many Spanish countries.
6. Imaginary dialogues. Pretend wishing. Feliz Navidad a ti y tu familia.
7th, learn chunks. Que tengas una feliz Navidad, or Los Reyes Magos traen regalos.
8. Shadow podcasts or songs. Repeat after Rodolfo El Reno. Rudolph with his red nose.
And relax. Enjoy the joy of Navidad.
In the final part, how to keep thinking in Spanish under pressure, like family gatherings.
Welcome to the last part. Real conversations during holidays can bring back translating when excited or nervous.
Accept imperfections. Focus on sharing joy. Me encanta la cena de Nochebuena.
Exercise. Speak to mirror about traditions. En España, comen turrón y polvorones. En Mexico, rompen piñatas.
In talks, stay in Spanish bubble. If stuck, paraphrase. Esa cosa dulce, tú lo sé.
Consistency. Daily Spanish Christmas immersion. One day, you'll think, que bonita la estrella en el árbol, naturally.
Passion fuels it. Love, villancicos, food like Roscón de Reyes on January 6th.
Navidad in Spanish becomes part of you. No more translating, just celebrating.
If frustrated, remember, everyone starts there. Trust the process.
Thank you for joining. Like, subscribe, comment. Which Spanish Christmas word will you use first? Or your favorite tradition?
Listening again trains your brain more. Thanks from around the world. Feliz Navidad.
Spanish is a way to feel the holiday warmth deeper. Think in Spanish. Celebrate in Spanish.
See you next episode.